How to use the stock market to make money. Investing can be the path to financial security, as well as the road to bankruptcy. While luck can play a part in it, you should do your homework and know what you are getting into. Make sure that you go into investing with your eyes wide open. Use the advice from this video to help you make the most of your investments. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. Remember that the market is made of all stocks. There will always be some going up and some going down. Winning stocks can bolster your portfolio even during downturns, whereas losing stocks can hold you back in a boom. Choose carefully, and above all else diversify your holdings. Doing this both minimizes your risks and increases your opportunities to gain. Don't attempt to time any market. History has shown the best results happen when you invest equal amounts of money in the stock market over a greater period of time. Figure out how much you can afford to invest on a regular basis. You should adopt a regular pattern of investments, for instance once a week. Try purchasing some reliable investment management software to use when you invest. They are completely affordable these days, as is a high-speed internet connection. You don't need to spend your time and efforts trying to come up with the best ways to invest when there are programs out there that can help. If you are comfortable doing your own research, consider using an online broker. Online brokers cost much less than regular brokers, so if you are comfortable doing your own research, give online trading a shot. Since your aim is to make money, the lowest possible operating costs are always ideal. As already noted, investing can lead you financial security or it could cause you to lose everything. While being lucky can make the difference, it is knowledge and wise decisions that are the things that you can control. Use the information from this video to be able to make the most informed decisions when investing your hard-earned cash. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.